Hi everyone, my name is Chuck Watry and I'm with the product support team here in Hartford. And today we're going to be showing you a new radiation damper made for our low pro fans, the model LP510R, the LP510RS, and the lighted unit, the LP510RSL. So we made one radiation damper that works on all three models. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to assemble that radiation damper. And today we're going to do the LP510R or the LP510RS example on how to mount it. So let's get started. All right. So let's get started. The tools that you will need for the installation of the LPRD is just a Phillips screwdriver and pliers that we're going to use for basically crimping. Here I have the LPRD radiation damper. It comes with 3 brackets. For the installation, you'll use 4 brackets. One comes with the unit, so you're going to use that bracket as well. If we were going to mount this radiation damper on a LP510RSL, a lighted unit, we would use this harness, and it comes with the kit. In this video here, we're not using a lighted unit, so I'm going to throw it on the side. The kit comes with a metal damper and a parts bag. So the first thing you would do is you would remove this plastic damper from this unit. There's one screw holding this damper on, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to remove this screw. Alright, and to remove the damper, what I do is I stick my finger inside the damper. I kind of flip the flap up, and I take my thumb, and I'm going to be pushing this way with my thumb, and it kind of unlatches it on this tab, and the damper slides right out like so. Next, you're going to take the metal damper that comes with that unit, and you can see the tabs here. This kind of just slides up inside the tabs, kind of like so. And this damper takes 2 screws, so one here and one right here, and I'm going to go ahead and use the same screw that we took out of the plastic damper. Alright, there's one. And the extra screw actually comes with the radiation damper kit. You get both of them, but I'm going to use one of these. Whoop. Magnetic tip on your screwdriver helps. In my case, I don't have one handy. And there we have screw number 2, all nice and tight. Next, what we're going to do here, I'm going to grab the radiation damper, and I'm just going to set it on top of the fan housing. What you would do is you would remove the cardboard filler. Cardboard filler is just for shipping purposes, and you throw it on the side or discard it. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to put the radiation damper onto this housing. If you take note, there are flanges on each side. They're actually hem edges, and those hem edges are going to go over the flange of the fan housing, kind of like so. And you're going to slide it on. You see, if I pick up both units, would lift off the table. And I'm just going to center it on this unit. And the next thing I would do is I would take a pliers, and what you're going to want to do is you're going to squeeze this flange. You're going to crimp this flange, and you're going to do both sides, and that's going to prevent the damper from moving. I'm not going to do it on this unit because I want to use the damper for other purposes. Next thing you would do, you take 2 brackets, and these are your mounting brackets, and you'd put them into the flange, and you'd slide them in like so. See, if these were crimped, this wouldn't move. And I'm going to grab the other 2 brackets, and slide them in like so. Now you're ready for the installation of the fan and radiation damper up in that ceiling. What you would do is you would just follow the instructions that come with that unit. These brackets would expand from joist to joist, and you would fasten it with screws or nails to that joist. That's all it really is. The next thing, I just want to show you, this is a spring that I took off of a grill. These are what we call V-springs, and these springs, there's 2 of them, basically get mounted in these slots, and once both springs are in, you just push the grill up and they'd snap into place. And that's all it is. Hey, I hope this video helps. Thanks for watching.